In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Payroll with Gusto integration. By the end, your payroll system will be ready to go, and you'll know exactly what to expect at each stage. We'll start inside your account by heading to Settings. This is your central hub for configuration, and it's where payroll connections live. From there, open Payments and Client Billing. If you don't see that label in your layout, look for an Integrations section. Some accounts use that wording. You're looking for the Payroll option that references the Gusto integration. Once you spot it, select it and choose Set up Payroll. That button launches a guided connection to Gusto and walks you through the essentials. Next, create or log in to your Gusto account. If you already have one, simply sign in. If you're new to Gusto, follow the prompts to create an account using secure credentials. Keeping your login information safe matters, because this is where sensitive payroll and tax data will live. Now, add your business details. Accuracy here is critical for tax filings and direct deposit. Enter your legal business name, entity type, employer identification information, and your official business address. You'll also connect a verified bank account that Gusto will use to fund payroll. Double-check everything before moving on. Small typos can delay processing later. After your company profile is set, add your employees. Create a record for each team member and indicate whether they're an employee or a contractor. Input their pay rate, employment status, and any tax-related details required in your region. Make sure names, addresses, and payment preferences are correct, so paychecks land on time and in the right place. With your people in, it's time to set the pay schedule. Choose how often you want to pay, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Then select the pay period and the first check date. Consider bank processing time and any approval workflows you use so funds clear when you expect them to. Aligning your schedule with your bookkeeping cadence can also make reconciliation smoother. Finally, run payroll. Open your payroll run, confirm the pay period, and enter any hours, salaries, or one-time items like bonuses or reimbursements. Use the preview to review totals, taxes, and employer costs. When everything looks right, submit payroll to finalize the run. Direct deposits will be queued automatically, and you'll have records ready for your books. That's it. Your payroll system is ready. Keep your employee information current, review your first few runs carefully, and adjust your pay schedule if holidays or banking delays come into play. You're all set to pay your team confidently and on time.